दिवाली एक एहसास है ये। दिवाली एक ख्वाब है ये। हजारों दिल में छिपी एक ख्वाहिश है ये। उन ख्वाहिशों में लिपटी एक अनसुनी आवाज है ये। इस आवाज में भी दबा हुआ दर्द है एक। इस दर्द की भी अपनी दवा है एक, अपनापन। उस अपनेपन को बांटने का ही तो त्योहार है ये। एक परिवार बनाने का इत्तेफाक है ये। खुशियां तो सब बांट लेते हैं, किसी और की जिंदगी में खुशी बनना वो एहसास है ये। दिवाली ख्वाब है ये। दिवाली परिवार है ये। आसमानों के सितारों की निशानी है ये। उस हंसी के पीछे एक राज है ये। बंद आंखों के पीछे छिपा आंसू है ये। हर एक पल की निशानी है ये। अपनेपन का हिफाजत है ये। दूरी मिटाने का जरिया है ये। अंधेरे में जली एक रोशनी है ये। दिवाली दिवाली है ये।
Make a choice to make a difference was a movement that we started way back in 2017. The idea behind it, super simple. Just be out there and be family to the people who don't really have the liberty of celebrating and knowing what festivals really are. That was the basic aim.
पूरी लाइफ बोल रहा हूँ, दिवाली आती है and we make sure that we are waiting for this particular thing that we do every year. So इस साल भी उतना ही वेट था. I was not sure if we'll do it this year because of the pandemic and all, and also because of the recent controversy जो सब हुई. But Bhaiya was pretty adamant on doing it this time as well. And obviously I would have no issues with it because it is an experience that you remember. It is an experience that you cherish. बहुत genuinely बहुत मज़ा आता है every year when we go out there and try to do our bit, try to spread smiles, spread happiness. जो भैया का स्लोगन रहा है स्टार्टिंग से.
And quite honestly, we're so grateful for the amount that we collected this year, especially with the entire controversies around the Baba Ka Dhaba. It was difficult to win back the trust of the people, but at the same time, this movement was necessary as well.
And this year was a bit different. The donations that we got were way lesser than what we get usually. And I know why. The Baba Ka Dhaba controversy obviously had an effect on the audience. And I can't blame the audience as well. जिस हिसाब से social media का scene चल रहा है आजकल, you can't blame the audience for acting the way that they did. But we are genuinely grateful for the people who did their bit, who tried to donate whatever they had, and it was fun. It was so beautiful, and I loved every single moment.
तो इस बार हमारे लिए बहुत मुश्किल था, but still I would prefer कि लोगों ने बहुत हेल्प करी है. कैसे कि जैसे कोई इंसान का फंड नहीं दे सकता है, तो एक फ्रेंड था, टेक्स्ट किया था इंस्टाग्राम पे, तो उसी ने हमको बोला कि ही कैन गिव अस गुलाब जामुन, समोसा. तो दैट इज़ समथिंग वेरी ग्रेट. अगर आप लोगों को डर लगता है फंड्स में क्या, तो वो ज़्यादा अच्छी चीज़ है किसी को हेल्प करने के लिए.
What I would like to say is कि don't lose your faith in humanity just yet, क्योंकि every coin has two sides भाई. हर coin का दो side होगा, and there will be a good side and there will be a bad side. We try to represent the good side of that coin, but the bad side will always get exposed one time or the other. तो उस bad side से हम बस सीख सकते हैं. उस bad side को लेके अगर हम बैठे रहेंगे, so that wouldn't help us or help the people who need our help. So anyway, we tried to help as much as we could with the donations that we got at the end of the day. And
it was really, really very necessary for people to know that, of course, apart from all the controversies, apart from every bit of the shade that's being thrown here and there, every bit of the negativity that's going around on the social media, there is still room for more love. There is still room for more positivity. There is still room for more wholesomeness. That was the single and sole aim of this movement. I'm so grateful for each and everyone who's been a part of this movement, to the people who've entrusted us with their vision, to the people who've entrusted us with their time, with their money. And this is something that I've been stressing on in all of these 4 years. The money doesn't matter, the amount doesn't matter. There have been people who've donated 1 single rupee, and there have been people who've donated 10,000 rupees as well. The amount doesn't matter, the intent does. It's with this intent that we go out there and be family to these people. It's with this intent that we go out there to teach them and to make them feel what festivals really are. It's with this intent that all of us make a choice, and it's with this intent that all of us make a difference as well. And hence this movement, make a choice to make a difference. So this year it had to be really very different. With the entire pandemic situation, it had to be really, really very different. First up, we really needed to make sure that the amount of members that we were carrying into that orphanage were as minimalist as possible. And apart from that, we had to take all the possible safety precautions so that we made sure that we're not doing any harm to the entire orphanage. From undergoing tests to testing negative, from sanitizing the entire material that we were taking into the orphanage, to even making sure that the food items that we were taking into the orphanage were prepared with all the possible precautions.
जानू और का है मत कर कभी कुछ क्या काम है काम मत कर आ जाओ चलो हैप्पी दिवाली शुरू हो रहा है यहाँ पे आओ.
Part of it is so hard sometimes, especially because we've been going for 4 years in the same orphanage, and it's hard to say, but we've been seeing familiar faces in all of these 4 years. Faces of the kids who are seamlessly hoping that someday someone will come through those doors and open their arms and be their family. And that is the family that we want to be. That is the family that we want to be to them. That is the family that we want, so that they could look up to us and smile, so that they could look up to us and feel home. There was this one thing that we really wanted to do differently this time. The orphanage that we go to is an all-girls orphanage, and we wanted to cater to an absolute necessity that every woman goes through: sanitary pads. Although this is something that is a part of us, although this is something that each and every one of us should understand, let alone sexes, let alone genders, this is something that we as humans should understand, because this is something that another fellow human is going through. I'm not even talking about genders right now. This is something that another fellow human is going through. And quite honestly, only when you truly understand the amount of pain that a woman goes through, will you be able to empathize with it as a man, as a human, whatever you want to call yourself? And so that is why we really wanted to break the norms, and we really wanted to be out there and beat this narrow mindset that the country has and normalize this as much as we possibly could. So catering to the basic necessity of every woman out there, we distributed pads, but we knew that as we were a male majority team, it will be a little awkward for every girl there. तो हमने ये इंश्योर कर लिया था कि हम सब लोग एक कोने में चले जाएं, सब लोग डिस्टेंट हो जाएं, और उसके बाद मम्मा और इंद्रानी ने जाके अंदर सारे पैड्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिए. दिस वाज नेसेसरी, दिस इज नेसेसरी फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस टू अंडरस्टैंड, and I'm pretty sure and I hope that this will be normalized in the entire country and in the entire world as well.
This whole pandemic and all of these things that happened on पूरा पैंडमिक का सीन, और फिर ये सोशल मीडिया पे हर आए दिन कुछ ना कुछ हो जाता है. सो ऑल ऑफ दिस हैज़ हैड अ वेरी नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट ऑन आवर सराउंडिंग्स, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है. एंड दिस स्लाइट थोड़ी सी पॉजिटिविटी जो आती है तुम्हारी लाइफ में ऐसी वीडियो से, ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स से, आई फील दे हैव अ वेरी मेजर इम्पैक्ट. तो वही अपना एम रहता है यार हर साल, एंड आई होप वी सक्सीडेड इन डूइंग दैट. I genuinely hope we succeeded in doing that. Make a choice to make a difference 4.0 was worth it. It was definitely worth it.
You know, honestly, there was a very strange yet wholesome feeling that came with this one day. You know, that came with that moment when every single kid would just have their hands up in the air, look at those lanterns flying up in the sky, laugh, smile, cry, shout. There was something about that moment, you know. You could feel the amount of joy it gave them, regardless of the amount of worry that they have in their heads. You could feel how present they were in that situation and how happy they were. You know, we as humans, we go around the world seeking happiness. We as humans, we go around the world searching for things that make us happy without actually knowing that it's the little things in life that really contribute to that happiness. We let go of them. These kids, they don't have a family, but they have each other, and that is their family. And it's not that they don't feel the void of a family, it's not that they don't feel the sorrow of not having a family, but it's just that in that moment they've let go of every bit of it. All they feel is joy, all they feel is that moment. That's happiness.
खुशियाँ तो सबके पास आ जाती है यार, देने वाला बहुत बड़ा होता है, तो वो चीज़ देखनी है. बाकी यार बाकी हो गया, वर्ड्स काट दे भाई। हो गया।
हो गया?
हाँ चलो।
We genuinely cherish the moments of Make a Choice to Make a Difference every single year. We enjoy every single moment that we spend with the new family that we have discovered, and it's way too beautiful. बहुत बहुत सुंदर सीन होते हैं। तो बस यही यार, मेरे से होता नहीं है सब, देखो मेरे बस का नहीं होता, बट yes, it was amazing and looking forward to Make a Choice to Make a Difference 5.0. पिछली बार बोला था इंटरनेशनल जाएंगे, बट जाएंगे ना यार, जाएंगे अगले साल जाएंगे पक्का।
So yes man, that's about it. That is about it for 4.0. I'm gonna see you all with 5.0 hopefully next year from Dehradun, and hopefully we should be able to make this a nationwide and a worldwide movement really very soon. And until then, God bless you all. Thank you so much for being a part of this. Thank you.
अभी हमारा जाने का टाइम, सबको हैप्पी दिवाली। अभी आप हम लोग मिलेंगे, ठीक है? सब ख्याल रखो। और जो कब आऊँ मैं, बताओ, खुद बताओ। अब न्यू ईयर पे आएंगे भैया, देख लो न्यू ईयर पे आना है।
नहीं आंटी जी, कोई नहीं, आप ये लिख दो पलटन के नाम।
अगर बैग से करा बैग पे जाएगा।
चलो सही भाई।
हाँ जी भाई, बढ़िया है।
और एड्रेस क्या लिखा? दे रहा तू?
हाँ